Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. For today's video, I'm opening Pokemon pack. This is DIY. ASMR. And today, I pick number is number 1. This. Number 1. 10 pieces Pokemon cards collection number 1. Let's open. But I didn't get. Oh, in the back. 1, 2. This. 1. Volcarona. 2. Chromebonibel. 3. Umbreon. 4. Espeon. 5. Flamingo. 6. Temple. Number 7. Malamar. Number 8. Granbull. Number 9. Palden Crossel. And the last one is Starena EX. Okay, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cards. 10 cards. Bye. Bye. See you to our next vlog.